Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I'm going to teach you how you can restore already deleted photos from your Google Photos account on your Android or mobile device really quickly. So let us get started right away. So launch the Google Photos application on your Android, and just for the sake of the tutorial, let me for example delete that photo here. So tap on it, and after that simply select or tap on trash in the bottom right corner and confirm the deletion by tapping on move to trash here. Now guys, there's actually no way how you can access the trash folder here in your Google Photos account on your device. You may of course undo it if you like by tapping on undo here. But there's a simple trick you may apply here. What you want to do is head over to Google Chrome or to any other web browser, but I would recommend using Google Chrome for that because that will allow you to log in with your Google account on your Android device. And what you want to do after that here on Google Search is simply type in Google Photos into search and press enter. And after that, simply select the first search entry below, Google Photos. So sign in by tapping on it and make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google/Gmail account. And then last but not least, what you want to do here in your Google Photos account on your Android is simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner. And from that menu to the left, simply scroll down and select the trash folder, just like that. Wait for the loading process to be finished. And here, simply either delete these stored or deleted items by tapping on the trash icon in the top right corner, or select the given photo by tapping on it and simply restore it by tapping on this icon here at the top, restore, and wait for the restoring process to be finished. Restore also the second one just for the sake of the tutorial. And as you can see, the trash folder now is empty. So now you can access your restored photos from your Google Photos application again. And that's how it works, guys, in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.